Wala na'y susama pa nga makatupong sa dakong Kalipay ang pag-isip og bag-ong kinabuhi. Kini bunga usab sa bag-ong paglaom taliwa sa hulga sa coronavirus disease. Atong saksihan kini nga makapatandog nga video sa pribadong ospital diin nigawas na ang 70 anyos nga si John Daklan, taga Babag 1, Lapu-Lapu City. Siya ang labing una usab nga COVID-19 positive sa syudad nga karon hingpit na nga naayo o nakauli na sa ilang Pinoy-anan.
My father was admitted March 19 at the University of Cebu Medical Center for pneumonia. He is hypertensive, diabetic, and has COPD. Initial tests showed that he had ARDS. On the following days, he had chest pain. He developed myocarditis. Swabs for COVID testing turned out positive. It was a really dark and emotionally draining time for our family. But after a long road to recovery, he is coming home today. He is well and very much back to his original self. Family and I are overwhelmed with happiness. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for taking care of us in our time of need. To God be the glory.